Hello, welcome back to WinFX Trading YouTube channel. This is the only channel that has been optimized to make you rich trading the Forex synthetic markets. In this video, I'm wishing you a happy Valentine's celebration and merriment. But the question is this: how many people are actually happy? Are you happy when you have lost a lot of money trading boom and crash? Tell me the truth, you are not happy. I have been saying this, hammering on this, that the essence, the reason, the rationale behind WinFX trading is to optimize the number of winners in the forex market to 50% instead of 1%. Instead of 1%. They say only few percent, like 1% trader win. The rest 99% are losers. That bullshit must stop. Okay? You have to understand the powers, the capacity of WinFX trading, the kind of foundation on which WinFX trading is built. It's built in breaking the genes, breaking unbreakable, okay? It's more powerful than certain scientific theory like Pythagoras theory or all those philosophical metaphysical theory. We are more powerful. We are developing trading strategies, powerful tools, of which this is boom and crash, indices, auto, spike, detector software. It detects spike and trade it, like it plays the trade automatically on MT5, whether on phone or mobile. It plays the trade for you. So it is a robot that detects the spike and plays the trade for you. It also trades both direction and the spike. Not only spike, but direction also. It can buy, it can sell. Okay, this robot gonna change your life. If you watch the results on the MT5, that is a result of $1,000 profit within few minutes. Within few minutes to few hours. Okay, you can change your life. To get this robot right now, you have to subscribe to my Telegram channel, DM, and you will start getting every video, every instructional video of how to start using this robot. Okay, and the robot and the video, instructional video of how to use it, will be forwarded to you. The cost of getting this robot is very cheap, and the cheapest ever. It is just $150. $150 to determine your next millionaire lifestyle trading boom and crash. Thank you.